And now let's tie a natural fly. ASMR. I'm not making fun of anybody that doesn't ASMR, just to be clear. Okay, build up a little dam behind that bead, get that bead seated. Want that bead riding high. I like to Euro nymph and I like my flies to ride inverted. So we're gonna dress this hook. Pearl crystal flash. I'm just gonna wrap it around the thread like that. Okay, now we're just gonna tie that crystal flash in. We're gonna cut this. Gold wire and small. Put that wire inside the bead. Try to keep it on the top of the hook shank so you don't mess with the profile of the fly. Give this just a little tiny bit of a taper. Now I'm going to use the rotary on the vise. And I'm just going to wrap this wire. Get your wire wrapped up to your head. And tie that off. Tie your wire off, just spin it off. Okay, next we got UV resin in the forcing, which is thin. We're just gonna coat this with way too much there, Steve, but that's okay. Let it spin around there and we'll just squeeze it. We'll hit it. Actually, my two favorite colors is this olive brown and this rust. These two colors are phenomenal. And grab just a tiny bit of dub here. Dub our thread. Give that a couple rounds. And for a chance to win this fly and a sticker, subscribe and comment #flytying. Now give it a 5-turn whip finish. I know that doesn't look like nothing, but this little bug gets down fast and fishes good. My segmentation's way off. The gaps are whack, but that's like, you know, I'm just the average fly tyer, man. I'll see you guys on the next one.